Welcome to Morvish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with the Western touch. Now we have new how-to segment, and today I'm telling you guys how to clean oven glass door. So after coming back from vacations, when her kitchen was in my husband's supervision, and he was baking a lot of chicken and everything, and all this splattering flashes were there on the glass door. So I did the self cleaning, but still you guys can see there are like black splashes spots. So I looked up online and I found this idea, which I'm going to tell you in a while. And I must tell you, it really worked. So for this I made a mixture of baking soda and water. So just mix the baking soda and water, make it like a paste kind, and start putting it on your glass door. As you can see, there are black spots remaining on my oven's edge, so I put this mixture on there too. So just spread it all around it, as you can see here I did, and then leave it for 15 minutes, and if you have like more worst, so just give it 5 more minutes, I say. So after 15 minutes, just take the scrubber and start scrubbing the dried white baking soda flakes. As soon as you start scrubbing, you will see the clean glass door. You don't need to scrub hard at all. The scrubber I used just because they were dried flakes and it was harder to take away with a soft sponge. And that's it. Then just clean it with the Windex and a paper towel, and you will have a clean glass door. So here's presenting the same black spotty door turning into a shiny glass door just in front of you. No extra hard scrubbing, no more chemicals, just baking soda and some water. Try it at home, leave me a comment how it turned with you, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. I'll see you next time.